Ready to level up your Fortnite game with some bucks, but want a super simple way to get them? Let's ditch the complicated methods and dive into using Cashapp to buy bucks. First things first, open your Cashapp. You'll want to be on the main screen, which usually displays your current cash balance. If you don't have any cash balance, you'll need to add some funds to your account. First, you can do this by linking a bank account or paying with a debit card. Once you have funds, make sure you're ready to proceed. Now, look for the buy button. It typically looks like a downward-facing arrow or a simple buy text. Tap on that button to initiate the purchasing process. On the next screen, you'll see a search bar. This is where the magic happens. Type in Fortnite into the search bar. Cashapp is designed to make finding popular digital items easy, so it should pop up immediately. Once Fortnite appears, you'll see various bucks pack options. They'll be listed with their real-world dollar amounts. Browse through the selections and choose the bucks amount that best suits your needs. Tap on your desired bucks package. This will bring up a confirmation screen detailing your bucks purchase. Double-check the amount of bucks you're buying and the price. If everything looks correct, you'll usually see a confirm or purchase button. Tap it to finalize your transaction. And just like that, your bucks are purchased. Cashapp will process the transaction, and you'll see it reflected in your transaction history. You'll then need to redeem these bucks in your Fortnite account. To redeem your bucks, head over to the official Fortnite redemption website, usually found by searching Fortnite Redeem Code. Online, log in with your Epic Games account. Enter the code you received after your Cashapp purchase, and your bucks will be added to your Fortnite inventory. Now go forth and enjoy your new bucks.